What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys really prefer my videos to be kind of funny and more goofy, more like what my actual real personality is like. So today I have the perfect video for you guys, and that is going to be me filming myself doing my makeup with no mirror. Right, so first thing is first, I'm going to hide the viewfinder so that I cannot see myself in this little square here, because that's cheating and nobody likes a cheater. First thing I'm gonna do is obviously prime my face, because I mean, you have to do that. You can't just be a ratchet bitch. I already am one of those, but let's not make it worse. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just use this NYX BB cream, and I've been liking to use this more so lately than like a heavy foundation. Even though my skin is kind of shit right now. Gonna be ugly regardless, might as well be ugly. Like, I feel like no one really ever had to live without mirrors. Like, I feel like even like way back in the day, they had like reflective, like, metals, or, you know, people didn't really have all these makeup hang-ups either. You could just like walk around looking like a goat and guys would still want you. Usual contour kit. Nobody really gives a shit. It's kind of liberating to not have a mirror. I'm just like, la 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 la, I'm gonna be hideous. And I don't really give a fuck. On to highlighter. And there's nothing better than knowing that everyone who's watching me is literally watching me to make fun of me. Love that for me. All right, if I had to guess, I would guess that my eyebrows are starting to look like Central America right now. Like, who's looking for a makeup artist? Because I'm here. Call me. I feel like eyeshadow shouldn't be too bad. It's gonna be the liquid eyeliner. It's really gonna pull this whole look together. So what do you think? Smoky eye look? Well, I don't really care because I'm doing it anyway. Just get all over that lid. Get her right in the crease. Right in the crease. Eyelid crease, duh. The bags under my eyes are not Chanel. They're cocaine. Kidding. I've been living in Ireland for over a year now, and I literally still cannot even like copy an Irish accent. Like, even a single word. Like, I try, but it just comes out sounding British, and it's still, even the British accent sounds like shit. Sounds like proper shite. Fucking hell, mate. Pray for me. Not a religious woman, but Jesus, if you're out there, take the wheel. So that's what you get, bitch. I've been watching you from heaven, and urinating in public is not gonna get you into the Golden Gates. This is the part where I literally poke my eye out, and I finish the video with one eyeball. So this is a completed look, and I'm gonna go grab a mirror and see what the damage is. Oh, sweet Jesus. Nope. Nope. I'm calling the police. I mean, fucking hell, mate. I mean, honestly, it still looks better than half the makeup I see in Ireland. Just saying. I don't know, I think I need to take a few selfies. Feeling cute, might delete later. That is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed me turning myself into a clown, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, or as they say here, tanks a mill.